Hello and welcome to my channel. Today's video I'd like to dedicate to a mini tutorial of how I style my hair. And if you're interested to see how did I achieve this hairstyle, then please keep on watching. Before I'm going to proceed with the video, please don't forget to like and subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss out the future uploads. Join me on my Instagram, I would love to have you. A little bit about me. I have very thick, coarse, dense, all the words that you can use. That's me when it comes to the hair. It's not bragging, this is just facts, and trust me, a little bit of everything is always better than too much of anything, and I have too much of hair. I did cut my hair recently, I changed my hairstyle, and I have received a request, and I think the request came when I had longer hair as well, so I wasn't sure. Nevertheless, I have been receiving requests to have my hairstyling filmed, so here I am doing it for you, and thank you so much for supporting me and watching my channel. I really appreciate you. Fairly recently, I have changed my hairstyle due to the fact that when the COVID hit and I couldn't go and get my hair styled for over 6 months, and I looked absolutely awful, and my videos are a direct proof that this was yeah. So I decided that heck, let's just clean my act, get rid of the hair, because if there's no hair, no problem. So I've chopped my hair and I absolutely love my hairstyle. It's so much easy to manage and I'm super happy. So if you are in question whether I should get my hair changed or do something different, you know what? Change is good as a rest, and I'm absolutely loving my new hairstyle. However, with new hairstyle, you develop new habits, and this is how I manage my hair. In order to get it straight or create these little WAVY curls, I call them, I use one and only GHD straightener. This is not a sponsored video, and I'm not saying that these are the only ones that you need. Any straighteners will do, but these are the ones that I have been loving, and this is my second pair in the last, I don't know, 15 plus years. So I think this is my, so as far as I'm concerned, this is my always and forever working horse that will help me out to fix my unruly hair. So I have two styles. They either straightened or WAVY curls, and I will do just that today because I had it straightened last week, so I kind of like change, moderate, make it fun. For my hairstyling, it's not much ongoing, to be honest. We're only going to be using the Redken heat protector, but you can use any heat protector that you have. I do have this one for a while now, and it smells so good, so I use that one, but you always have to use heat protector. And once again, we're going to be using GHD straighteners to create this. So without further ado, let's just begin making things happen. So here I am ready for my hairdo improvement. This is how I look like with my hair being dried out naturally. Ever since I cut my hair to the shorter length, I tend to stay away from blow drying my hair because it dries it even more so, due to the fact that I am using my GHD straighteners. I either straighten or do my waves, shall we say. So, you know, I leave it to dry out naturally. So what I do is I just spritz my hair a little bit like this, the front as well. So I love to work on my hair with these GHD straighteners. I have been loving GHD brand for over a decade plus, and it always has been treating me very well. They're always very nice working horse, at least in my arsenal of hairstyling. And I have very coarse wavy hair, so it always is, you need a professional grade equipment in order to manage this velocity of hair. Normally what I do, I just get medium-ish size chunks, because I don't want for the curls that I'm going to create for them to look too curly, because I already have a wave, sort of. I'm not interested in that. So this is the end result of me using my hair straighteners in order to create these curls. Next thing I'm normally doing is just giving them a little bit of a push about. You're just fluffing them a little bit from the inside like this, and that's it. That's my hairstyling for a week. And normally my hair stays like that until it's time to wash it. I normally wash my hair twice a week. Nowadays that is shorter, but it used to be once a week due to the fact that I have some skin condition with my scalp. But overall, this is how simple and easy, as far as I'm concerned, to you know, manage shorter hair. I had my hair long for so long. I am floored till today. I'm thinking, why did I kept it for so long? And change is good as a rest, and I am very happy that I made this move and I changed my hairstyle. So this is going to be the end of my hairstyling video. I hope you enjoyed this video and that this video will be helpful to somebody who needs a little bit of help when it comes to managing their hair. And thank you so much for watching. I appreciate your support. Once again, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. But for now, it's bye-bye.